Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Nail Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative toys for young artists. It's a fantastic way to encourage self-expression and develop fine motor skills while having a blast. In this video, we're diving into the world of kids' nail kits, exploring what makes a great kit, and helping you find the perfect one for your little ones. Get ready to discover the best options and transform tiny fingertips into stunning works of art. Number 5. Cool Maker Go Glam Nail Stamper Deluxe Salon. This Amazon exclusive kit lets you create amazing manicures and pedicures. It comes with bonus patterns and nail polishes. It's the perfect way to express your style. With this nail salon, you can mix and match patterns like watermelons, unicorns, and paw prints. It's easy to create unique looks. Let your creativity shine. Creating salon-quality nails is fun and easy. Just pop in a pattern, paint your nails, and press to stamp. It's that simple to get perfect nails. This DIY nail kit has a built-in dryer to help set your nails quickly. It includes everything you need to customize up to 200 nails. Finish with the top coat for a perfect finish. The patterns only work with the included Go Glam nail polishes. The water-based formula is non-toxic and easy to remove. You can create new designs again and again. The kit includes the Go Glam Nail Salon with dryer, pattern pods, nail polishes, a top coat, and an instruction sheet. It's all you need for beautiful nails. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment. What we like? This kit features a built-in dryer, saving you time and ensuring a perfect finish. It offers a variety of patterns, allowing for endless creativity. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-use kit with a focus on safety and convenience, this is the perfect choice for your little one. What people say. The stamps only work with the provided nail polish. The kit comes with cute colors and the base coat dries a little sticky, so the clear film design sticks to it before you seal with the provided clear top coat. The stamper itself is extremely easy and fun to use. Number 4. Kids Press-On Nails Kit, Pink Flower. Introducing a delightful nail kit designed especially for kids. This set features charming designs and is perfect for creating fun and easy nail art. It's a wonderful way for children to express their creativity. Each kit includes a variety of sizes to fit every little finger. You can easily find the perfect fit for each nail, ensuring a comfortable and secure application. This makes it a great gift option. The nails come in a range of adorable patterns, including hearts and flowers. The bright colors and playful designs are sure to bring a smile to any child's face. They are perfect for creating dreamy nail looks. These press-on nails are incredibly easy to use. Simply choose the right size and press them onto the nails. It only takes a few minutes to achieve a beautiful and charming nail design. Made from high-quality ABS material, these nails are safe for children. They are durable and breathable, ensuring they last for weeks without harming the nails or body. It's a worry-free choice for parents. These nails are ideal for various occasions, from nail salons to DIY projects at home. Whether it's a wedding, prom, or just a fun day, they add a touch of charm. They are perfect for any festival. What we like? These nails are pre-glued, making application a breeze for kids. With a range of adorable patterns, they add a touch of fun to any look. If your child loves instant glam and enjoys changing up their style frequently, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The nail polish is easy to apply and dries quickly. The nail kit includes a variety of colors and fun nail art accessories. The nail kit is designed specifically for kids. Number 3. FunKidz Nail Pen Combo Kit for Girls. This kit has everything you need to create amazing nail art. It includes vibrant nail polish, nail pens, and various decorations. You can design your own unique nails with this set. The FunKidz nail polish pens are versatile tools for nail art. They can be used for brushing, drawing, and adding glitter. It offers many ways to design your nails. Create beautiful manicures in minutes with this kit. It comes with fun colors and accessories. Girls can also use the pens to draw on their nails. The kit includes peel-off and oil-based nail polishes. The water-based polish can be peeled off easily. Remember to apply it as the first layer. This nail art set helps improve fine motor skills and color matching. It also encourages creativity and self-expression. It's a great way for kids to have fun. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for girls aged 7 to 12. They will love this nail art kit. What we like. This kit includes 3-in-1 nail polish pens for versatile nail art designs. The peel-off polish makes it easy to change styles. If you want to encourage your child's creativity and artistic expression, this kit provides all the tools they need to create unique nail designs. What people say. She was very surprised and loved the polish and great variety of stickers. My preteen daughter and her friends loved this. Perfect for a girl just discovering how much fun doing your nails is. It was a fun set. I was able to draw a snowman on my nails. Number 2. Toysical Nail Art Kit for Girls. This amazing nail kit is designed for girls aged 6 to 12. It comes with everything you need to create stunning nail art, making it perfect for any young fashionista. Inside, you'll find nail polish, nail extensions, stickers, and various tools. This comprehensive set ensures you have everything needed to design and decorate your nails. With this kit, you can create professional-looking nails. It's the perfect way to express yourself and impress your friends. The kit features a range of beautiful and pigmented colors. You'll love the variety and quality of the nail polish, perfect for any occasion. Forget about special lights, this polish dries quickly. It saves you time and prevents smudges, so you can enjoy your beautiful nails right away. Looking for a great gift? This nail art kit is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present that any girl will adore. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution, providing everything needed for a complete manicure. It offers a range of vibrant colors, perfect for expressing individuality. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that's easy to use and doesn't require any special equipment, this is a great choice. What people say. My granddaughter loved receiving this for her birthday. She immediately gave me a big hug and then a pedicure with silver stars. The nail polishes were good kid-friendly ones. My 9-year-old granddaughter just loved it and was able to use everything in the kit. Wonderful for a 9-year-old. She was thrilled and everyone at the party got manicures and pedicures. Number 1. Cool Maker Get Glitzy Glitter Nail Kit. This nail kit has everything you need to create 5 glittery manicures. It includes 6 colors of glitter, nail art decals, and a nail file. Mix and match the glitter to express your unique style. You can apply your manicures without any nail polish or drying time. Simply place the double-sided stickers on your nails, peel off the backing, and use the brush to add glitter directly onto the stickers. When you're ready to change or remove the nails, it's incredibly easy. Just pinch and pull the double-sided nail stickers off to reveal clean nails. You can design again and again. Cool Maker toys make fun birthday gifts or gifts for any time of year for kids ages 8 and up. It's a great way for them to express their creativity. Kids can express their creativity and style with this craft kit. It's perfect for making nail art. The kit includes 6 glitter pots, stickers, decals, a nail file, a brush, and an instruction guide. What we like. This kit allows you to create glitter manicures without the need for nail polish. It's easy to remove, allowing for quick style changes. If you like a touch of sparkle and want a mess-free, easy-to-change nail art experience, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The stamps only work with the provided nail polish. The kit comes with cute colors and the base coat dries a little sticky, so the clear film design sticks to it before you seal with the provided clear top coat. The stamper itself is extremely easy and fun to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.